Ashley, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how to create this bomb frohawk using some of my favorite products from Camille Rose Naturals. Now this is a style that I normally do on an old like wash and go or twist out because it has that frizz and allows me to really achieve the height and volume that I love for my frohawk. So if you are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, keep on watching. Alright guys, so as previously stated, I am doing this style on an old wash and go. I washed my hair last week, so it's definitely time for a restyle. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my water and mist my edges and my hair as well. My hair does need some moisture because like I said, I did my hair a week ago, so we are in need of moisture. So I'm just gonna work that into my hair, and then I'm gonna grab my Curl Love Moisture Milk and I'm gonna apply that to my hair as well as my edges. And I want to make sure that my hair is properly moisturized and has enough cushioning before I do apply my gel. So I'm just gonna scrunch that into my hair, which is the best way to get it into the hair without causing unnecessary and extra frizz. So I'm just gonna work that into my hair. I'm gonna give it a little shake and a little fluff, and then I'm gonna grab my curl maker, which is gonna be my gel of choice. So I am gonna apply this to my edges, and I'm just gonna lightly brush that into my hair. This does have a nice hold. I didn't want to do anything super sleek, but I did want to make sure that I did tame some of the frizziness around my hairline and some of the flyaways. I am going to be using two kinds of bobby pins. I'm going to be using some long ones as well as the small short ones, and I'm going to be using those long ones to actually hold the style in place, and those short ones are for cleanup. You'll see as we continue. So I'm going to push my hair over and I'm going to begin pinning it where I want my mohawk to fall. So I'm gonna push that hair over. I'm gonna slide that first pin in, and then the following pins after that, I'm just gonna go down the line, also pushing my hair over during the process. The last pin that I insert into my hair, I am gonna insert it into my hair with the opening at the top, because I want to make sure that it is going to catch and secure all the hair at the bottom so nothing falls out of place. So I'm just going to make sure that I apply these in a line, and that last pin I am going to apply further over towards the center of my head because I am creating a tapered look at the end of the frohawk. So I'm going to give my hair just a little bit of a fluff to make sure that this is where I want my mohawk to start. Everything pretty much looks good. I'm actually going to readjust the camera because I am a little too close up. That's a lot better. So I wanted to make sure that you can see everything in frame. So it is where I want it to fall. Now I'm just going to repeat the same steps on the opposite side. I'm going to push my hair over as far as I want it to go, brush it into place, and then I'm going to begin pinning it using those larger bobby pins. Now I'm using these pins to mark where I want my mohawk to fall, and I'm just going to go straight down the line. That last pin I am going to insert with the opening upwards to make sure that I secure all of the hair into place so that nothing is falling out of place, and it creates that tapered look at the ends of the mohawk. So I'm gonna make sure that all of those pins are in, and then I'm gonna begin taking some of the smaller bobby pins and just doing cleanup. So I'm gonna insert two of those smaller bobby pins at the front of my hair because it's not as pinched in as I want it to be, and you'll see as we start coming up to the actual frame here. So it's not as pinched in as I want it to be, so I'm gonna take some of those smaller pins and I'm gonna pin the front so that it pinches it in so that my frohawk begins to fall the way I normally like it to fall. So once I have a vision for something, I go for it, and this is always part of my vision. I like the front to be as pinched in but not super tapered like the back, full but of course in line and neat in the middle. And I'll do a ton of fluffing throughout the process to make sure that everything is falling how I want it to fall. So I'm just going to add some of those smaller bobby pins in the middle just to give some extra hold and to really pinch it in where I find necessary. One thing I did want to mention is that while you are doing this style, Of course, you want to make sure that it falls in the middle, but while you are doing your fluffing, you always want to pull up and out. You don't want to pull to the side because, of course, a frohawk has a specific silhouette, and you want to make sure that you are falling into that silhouette. I am going to add a little bit more curl maker to my edges, and I'm just going to lightly brush that to lay it down a little bit more. Like I said, this look is not supposed to be super sleek, at least this mohawk isn't. However, if you do want to use more gel or a stronger gel, by all means do what you feel. So now I'm going to add my earrings, and I am pretty much ready to go. That's pretty much it for this frohawk tutorial. It's one of my favorite styles, especially for warmer months. It's super easy and super cute. I really hope that you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.